In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to solve a linear system using the substitution method. So here we have two equations. We have x is equal to y minus 2, and I've labeled that as equation 1, and x plus y is equal to 4, and I've labeled that as equation 2. And we're going to go over the steps to solve, starting with step number 1, rearrange equation 1 to isolate for x. Now, luckily for me in this case, I don't need to rearrange equation 1 at all because x is already by itself on one side of the equal sign. If that wasn't the case, I would need to rearrange it in this first step. And the second step is to substitute equation 1 into equation number 2. So currently x is equal to y minus 2. So in equation 2, instead of writing x, I'm going to write y minus 2 in its place. So that gives me y minus 2 plus y equals 4. Instead of x, I've written y minus 2. Because x is y minus 2. Well, now I have one variable and an equal sign, and I can now do step 3, solve for y. So let me rearrange and solve. So y minus 2 plus y is equal to 4. I'm going to collect my like terms on the left, giving me 2y minus 2 equals 4. I'm going to move that negative 2 to the other side, making it a positive 2. And that's going to give me 2y is equal to 6, which is just 4 plus 2. And then finally, dividing both sides by 2 gives me a y value of 3. Now step number 4 is going to be to substitute my y value into equation 1 or 2. It doesn't matter which one, it's going to give you the same x value. In this case, I'm going to substitute it into equation 1 because x is already isolated. And so that gives me x is equal to 3 minus 2, and now the last step is very obvious, solve for x. Well, 3 minus 2 is just 1. Now that I have my x and y values, I need to check to make sure they satisfy the equations. So I'm going to substitute 1 and 3 into equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x is equal to y minus 2. I know that x is 1 and y is 3, so I'm going to plug those in. 1 is equal to 3 minus 2. And if I simplify, 1 is equal to 1, and the left side equals the right side. So perfect, these numbers work for equation 1. What about equation 2? Equation 2 is x plus y equals 4. If I plug in 1 and 3 as my x and y, I get 1 plus 3 equals 4, and then 4 equals 4, left side equals right side, and therefore I've verified that the solution is in fact x equals 1 and y equals 3.